So in this problem, we're looking for d squared y dx squared, and we need it in terms of x and y. So first, I'm going to use an implicit differentiation, and we're going to start with the derivative on the left is 2y, using the power rule, y prime. That is going to be equal to 3x squared. Solving for y prime, we have the first derivative is 3x squared over 2y. Now we need to get the second derivative. Just labeling this. Now for our second derivative, just be y double prime. So we're going to have to use the quotient rule here. So we have bottom 2y times the derivative of the top, which is 6x, minus the top 3x squared times the derivative of the bottom, which is 2y prime, and that is all over 2y squared. Okay. Now the next thing I have to do here is I'm going to notice I have a y prime here, and I need it in terms of x and y. So I'm going to take my y prime that I found and substitute that in there, and then do some algebra. So now I'm going to have 12xy minus 3x squared times 3x squared over 2y, and I also have a 2 there that I just forgot, and that is all over 4y squared. Giving myself a little more room to work with, I'm going to end up with 2's canceling here. I need a 3, that'll be 9x to the 4th over y, all over 4y squared. Finding the common denominator in the numerator, give me y squared, there, minus 9x to the 4th. That's all over 4y squared. Dividing by 4y squared is the same as multiplying by 1 over 4y squared. So I have 12xy squared minus 9x to the 4th over 4y cubed. But that's actually not all that there is to this problem, because if we recall, we were given initially that y squared equals x cubed. So now we can use that fact and substitute for instance, y squared is x cubed. So when I make that substitution, I'm going to get 12x to the 4th minus 9x to the 4th over 4y cubed. And I can combine like terms in the numerator, 3x to the 4th over 4y cubed. Now, I don't have exactly this piece over here, but I do have it on some level. And the substitution I can make then is 3x cubed times x over 4y cubed. Now I have x cubed. I can plug in y squared here, 3xy squared over 4y cubed, which is going to equal 3x over 4y. And that is our final answer.